ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಮಂತ್ರಾಲಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ರಾಯರ ದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ. We started from home at 6 in the morning. Mantralaya is around 390 kilometers from Bengaluru. In the route we drove. There are only couple of good eateries en route. It is good to carry your own food and water for the journey, as it would be helpful. While passing Chikkaballapura, we could see Nandi Hills on the left hand side, engulfed in the bed of clouds. The view was mesmerizing. There are many grapevine yards on this road. Fantastic drive. The road is awesome. Only thing is there are some rumbler strips which is actually not laid out scientifically. Otherwise the road is awesome. We made a brief stopover at this beautiful marigold farm. The environment here was serene and the view of the colorful flowering plants was awesome. We enjoyed some time here and continued with our journey. There are 5 toll plazas till we reach Mantralaya from Bengaluru. Toll charges is around 350 rupees one way. In around 200 meters after Kasepalli toll plaza, you need to take left for Gutti. Road from Bengaluru till Anantapur is very good as it is Bengaluru-Hyderabad National Highway. However, once the deviation is taken towards Gutti, the state highway starts and the road condition is not great. This route passes through many small towns and the roads have many potholes, especially in the town limits. Also till Adoni bypass, the roads are in scraped condition but motorable. From Adoni bypass till Mantralaya, the road condition is excellent. Mantralaya is well connected by road and rail from different cities. We reached Mantralaya around 1:30 p.m. Let me show our cottage. We had booked an AC suite which costed us 1400 rupees. There are two rooms in this cottage. The big room had a double cot and the small room had a single cot. Couple of chairs were kept in the room. A dressing mirror with a table was also placed in the room. Rooms are maintained neatly and the washroom was clean and hygienic. We had to pay a refundable deposit of 1000 rupees upon check-in, which was fully returned to us at the time of checkout. Plenty of parking space is available at a cost of Rs 50 with a 24-hour validity. Rayaramata has multiple cottage complexes in Mantralaya. In these complexes, there are multiple types of accommodation like AC suite, AC room and non-AC rooms. One can book the rooms online or approach the CRO directly on arriving at this holy place. There are budget accommodations starting as low as 100 rupees per day and can go up to 1700 rupees per day for AC suite accommodation. I have given the link to the online room reservation in the description, which can be referred to. Facilities in the room are as per the type of accommodation booked. It is usually a custom to visit Manchalamma Ammanavaru temple before visiting Raghavendra Swami Brindavana. Manchalamma temple is just next to the Rayaramata. There was not much water in the Tungabhadra river, but the sunset was amazing. We enjoyed the sunset and then we went to Venkatramana Swami temple, which is 500 meters from Rayara Brindavana. A plethora of stalls is there where you can buy knickknacks, toys and puja items. One can see these stalls en route to river from Rayaramata. Tungabhadra river flows very close to the Mata and usually the river flow is full during monsoon. Weather is very hot in this place during summer and ideal time to visit is from October to March. Being a small town, there are no eateries which provide varieties of food. Prasada is given in the Mata, which is yummy. It is pertinent to note that there is no prasada on Ekadashi days. The road to Venkateshwara Swami temple is narrow and passes through many houses. It is at a walkable distance from the river as well. Parimala Prasada is the Naivedya Prasada which we get in Mantralaya Sri Raghavendra Swami Mata, and it is as famous as the Tirupati Ladu. This Prasada was named based on the holy work Sudha Parimala written by Raghavendra Prabhugalu.
ಗಡ್ಡೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕುಗ್ರಾಮ 350 ವರ್ಷ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕುಂದಾನ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ಅವರಿಗೊಂದು ಆಸೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆದೇವರು ಉಪ್ಪಿಲಿಯಪ್ಪನ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕುಂಭಕೋಣದಿಂದ 60 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ದೂರ. ಆ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ರಾಯರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೃಂದಾವನ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಂಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದಾಗ ಸ್ವತಃ ರಾಯರು ಅವರ ಅಮೃತ ಹಸ್ತದಿಂದ ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ ಭೂದೇವಿ ಸಮೇತ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷಾ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೃಂದಾವನ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಆದರು ಅಂತ ಚರಿತ್ರೆ. ಅದು 350 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಶ್ರೀಕಾಂತಾಯ ವೆಂಕಟನಾಥಾಯ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸಾಯ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಸರ್ವಮಂಗಳ ಮಾಂಗಲ್ಯೆ ಶಿವೆ ಸರ್ವಾರ್ಥಸಾಧಿಕೆ ಶರಣ್ಯೆ ತ್ರ್ಯಂಬಕೆ ದೇವಿ ನಾರಾಯಣಿ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ.
There is a dress code that is to be followed to enter the Rayara Mata. In order to obtain the darshana of Rayaru, men should remove their shirt and banyan and hold it in their hands. Also, men can wear panche and shalya. Women should dress in Indian style clothes, preferably in a traditional dress like a sari. Rayaru was born as Venkatanatha in the town of Bhuvanagiri, Tamil Nadu. Sri Raghavendra Swami chose the rocky terrain of Mantralaya for his Moola Brindavana Pravesha, the place where he did multiple yajnas in his avatara as Prahalada. His former birth is considered to be that of Sri Vyasaraja Tirtharu, who was the royal priest for the Krishnadevaraya Empire and has composed many songs in praise of Lord Krishna. It is said that Guru Sarvabhaumaru would stay in Vrindavana for 700 years, out of which 350 years are still remaining. The environment here is very peaceful and full of positive energy. Every year, Rayara Aradhane and Rayara Vardhantotsava is celebrated with grandeur. Devotees from different parts of the country visit this holy place to have darshana of Sri Raghavendra Swamigalu. His Holiness Sri Subudendra Tirtha Swamigalu is the current pontiff of the Mata. Darshana of Raghavendra Prabhugalu was very good. In the sanctum, along with Rayara Brindavana, there is Brindavana of Vadindra Tirtharu. Mukhya Pranadevaru is just opposite to Rayara Brindavana. We took blessings from Sri Rayaru and Sri Subudendra Tirtharu.
Yeah.